got leaner, no?
Yeah.
Jeez. It was good. The trip was fire.
For real?
Yeah.
I saw it, man. That was
we went
dope.
to Africa.
Yeah, what parts did you hit?
We went to
you
5 countries.
Right?
Benin, Nigeria. Are you from Nigeria?
Yeah.
For real?
How'd you like the food?
Fire.
Yeah.
Nigeria like Miami.
Yeah.
You been?
Yeah, that's where I'm from.
For real?
Yeah.
You still playing?
Yeah. This will be my one of year 10.
What position?
D tackle.
Really?
Yeah.
At this size? Bro, you look like you could play like running back.
No. I'm probably like 270, 280. Oh yeah, I'm just real cut right now. Yeah, I think I started.
This how you play though?
Off season. Nah, I started off season probably like 305.
Yeah, you was way bigger when I seen you.
I went on the cut for a little bit.
Face and everything looked good. So you're gonna play this year like this?
I'll probably play like, I'll probably play 285. So
285?
Like 270 right now.
What made you want to lose it? Faster?
Yeah, leaner, want to be, because I think the biggest thing is when you can recomp your body and still keep your strength.
Yeah.
I was like, why not?
How old are you?
The fat's not going to do anything to kind of slow you down. I was like, I'd rather just be able to move around a little better.
How old are you?
Me, 32.
God dang.
Yeah.
So you've been in the league for 10 years. Mm-hmm. God is good.
Yeah, all the time.
What college you went to?
I went to UNC Charlotte in North Carolina.
For real?
Yeah, first player ever drafted.
Really? UNC Charlotte. So they're like, did y'all play, what's the other school from Charlotte that's really good? Well, not really good, but Davis, I think?
Davidson?
Yeah.
In basketball, I think we played. Football, no, because the first 2 years were at FCS, and then the last 2 years I was there were FBS.
For real?
Yeah.
Dang. That's what's up. Well, we got to get up, bro. Good seeing you, boy.
Always good seeing you, man.
You look good.
Keep doing it.
For sure. You got my number, don't it? We catch a little session. Chat, you know what I'm saying? We going in. We need a box today. Yeah, we do. You be boxing too?
Oh, yeah, every day.
Oh, for real?
Every day.
Well, who?
Saint.
Oh, Saint? Yeah,
you
Saint.
You want to cook us some work, let me know.
Yeah, Saint a dog.
Is it still this one?
Yeah, that's me right here.
Right,
shoot me a text.
I'll shoot you right now, man.
Love, brother.
Always. Be safe.
Good seeing you, yup.
Proud of you.
The amount of people that have said, hey, I heard they have a fight with such and such coming up, it's crazy. They want me to fight so bad, man. For you guys, miss you, Ashton Hall, Billy Ashley. I'm not letting the number get leaked. All right, brother. Keep going, bro. Huh? What? No, you're good. I already talked to him. Just tell Billy to pull up. Chat, should we box today? Kind of feeling like boxing a little bit. Yeah, I usually do box only because it's easy cardio. You know what I'm saying? I feel like any type of Stairmaster, running, stuff like that, it's not always the best. Show the gym for a second. Show the gym for a second. Either? You like LA more than Miami? No way, bro. Either? You like LA more than Miami? No way, bro.
Fuck, I haven't lived here like that. That's the thing, so I don't know.
What's the longest you've been here for?
I mean, probably like a week.
Bro, all of Core being here for 30 days will be like lit for y'all.
Yeah, I know, but a lot of people are here
Y'all should
though.
just do 30 days here.
I know, we could.
Get a little bit B&B.
Yeah. I feel like it's a little bit cheaper too.
When I moved here, I became a lot more creative, I feel like.
Oh yeah?
For sure. LA, I was kind of stagnant.
Yeah. He didn't ask for no help when I was like, yo, help me off with this shit, like.
I'm playing Marlins too.
Like, come on, bro, like.
That's light for you though.
Someone said spot him. Are you fucking serious? Like, are you dead ass?
I'll spot you for the 225. 3 reps.
225.
3.
Okay.
That's light.
Yeah.
I'm a good spot too.
I ain't done 225 like 6 months of shit. Chill on me, bro. Chill. How about just chill, bro? All right, 3 reps, yeah?
3 reps. Easy.
Cakewalk, okay.
It's the wingspan that got him, chat.
All right, ready?
3, 2, 1. Easy. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. Lock it out. Lock it out.
Fuck, I feel weak.
Yeah, that wingspan like 6'7".
Holy fuck.
Wingspan long.
All right, I'm gonna spot you 225. I'm gonna spot you, yeah?
225?
Yeah, 225 for you.
Easy.
Shoulder.
Easy, troller.
When would you actually need a spotter? Like 4, 5 plates?
Like 4 plates.
4 plates?
Not even 4 though. Yeah, he was throwing
He
2.
was helping me a little bit.
He was throwing 2. It was light for him. It was chill.
Oh my God, thank God I didn't have this shit. Red Bull all week.
Oh, really?
That's what I'm saying, like Red Bull all week, bro.
Bro?
Not doing that. Celsius,
The
bro.
Red
Come
Bull
on.
is,
Yeah, we cut that, bro. Come on.
the taste is a little bitter.
Match, you know what it is. You good?
Yeah, I'm solid.
That's him. I checked it out. Everything. Brother, he's not even like moving. I look at him. Come on, come on. That is crazy, bro.
Yeah, I'm weak right now too.
That's weak for you?
For sure. That's supposed to be moving like 405. I used to do like 405.
Like on some daily stuff?
Yeah.
Really?
But now I feel like bench for me is like, I'll bench like once a month.
Oh yeah?
You do last set?
Yeah.
Just do like
a low set, right?
Yeah, low set.
I'm gonna do 45, just squeezing it out real quick. Let's get my chest activated.
Easy. Easy. All right, do five at a good pace right here. Good pace, good pace. 2, 3, 4. All right, do 2 slow, down slow. 3, 2, get it up. 3, 2, get it up. Now 3 fast. 3 fast and then you're done. 3 fast and then you're done. Easy, come on. Easy, come on. Easy, lock it out. We'll go
flies?
Flies, yeah.
Yep. Bro.
Would you move back to Sweden?
Hell no.
Nah?
Never, bro.
Nothing for you? Your whole family there?
All family there, yeah.
Really?
I try to go back like, once, twice a year, but about it.
Everybody there still?
Everybody there.
They don't want to move?
It's hard, bro, with a visa, bro. That's the thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like, I wouldn't even be able to just move them out, you know what I mean?
So how long did it take you to get your visa?
Like 6 months.
Really?
Bro, and I'm a content creator, so like, I had it easier, you know what I mean? But still like crazy.
So you were already streaming in Sweden?
Yeah.
How long ago did you start streaming?
Like almost exactly like 2 years ago now.
Oh, 2 years?
2.5 years ago, yeah.
Oh, that's smooth.
Bro.
Yeah. That's chill, yeah. We can go like...
Okay. Oh, really? For real? Already? Okay. Do like 30, 40.
30 is cool?
30, yeah. Let's do like we get a little workout in, yeah. Sure.
Dang, Sweden. I ain't even visited. How many people live in Sweden?
Like 10 million?
Oh, that's straight.
Yeah, 10 million people. It's not horrible. Like, it's not like super small, but like,
The culture there, like they be dressing and all that?
Like dressing what?
Like France, you know how France said like they dress?
Yeah, nah, it's not like crazy. We definitely have like a certain style, I would say, but
Oh, really?
yeah, it's like, yeah, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like,
So what are the people like in Sweden? What state here in America?
ooh, a state?
Yeah. Like Ohio?
Man, Ohio be having them, nah.
It's dead, it's
yeah,
dead,
I don't
it's
know
dead.
Ohio ones, but like,
Boston? Probably Boston, no?
I feel like they dress a little like that, I feel like.
Like Boston?
People personality wise?
Yeah, like the
Chat,
whole
Chat, what
vibe.
would y'all say, Chat? What's the
whole
vibe
vibe.
like? What's the vibe like?
A lot of your community from Sweden?
I got some community in Sweden, yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, for real?
I got a big one, yeah, for sure. They say Michigan, Minnesota.
Nah, Michigan and Minnesota? Yeah, because it's cold, no?
I guess, yeah. Michigan, maybe? Yeah, it's not a bad shout.
Michigan is lit, though.
Yeah?
Michigan cool.
Chat, I know IG coming, but IG coming, trust. I'm just trying to find, get every, like, photo from everybody and shit, you know what I mean?
We'll go 10 right here.
Yup.
Yeah, we got to do Sweden for sure.
You have to, bro.
What is Sweden next to on the map?
Like, we like Scandinavia, it's like Denmark, Norway, like all of that.
I don't know where I put the key at. It's probably up under there.